HDPE plastic film pelletizing line. Pre-crushed material, film regenerated particles. Compactor plastic pelletizer granulating. Machine is a double-stage plastic regenerative pelletizer, which is suitable for many kinds of plastic waste materials recycling and making pellet, such as PP, HDPE, LDPE, LLDPE, film and clean woven, non-woven bag materials, etc. The film can be pressed in the compressor and then be pelletized. Single-stage plastic granulator is mainly suitable for materials such as film-printed film, industrial membranes, and other materials and impurity content. If it is high moisture and impurity content, T is recommended to choose double-stage plastic granulator. The waste plastic recycling machine is mainly used to produce regenerative granulation produced by plastic articles. Reduce waste during production in line with energy saving and environmental protection requirements. The modular design is used by professional software control, ensuring high production safety, speed automatic adjustment, and manufacturing uniform, high-quality recovery particles.